This is how a modern battery charger is made inside a high-tech electronics factory.
Every step is designed for precision, safety, and efficiency. It all begins with a carefully designed circuit board.
Automated machines place hundreds of components in seconds. Solder paste ensures strong electrical connections.
Heat permanently bonds each component to the board.
Precision soldering guarantees long-term reliability.
Every board is inspected for quality.
Transformers control voltage safely and efficiently. Power components manage current flow.
Heat management protects the charger from damage.
Durable housings are molded from high-grade plastic.
Electronics are carefully fitted into the shell.
Each casing is shaped for safety and style.
Assembly is fast and precise. High-quality cables ensure safe charging. Now comes the most important step, G, testing.
Each charger is electrically tested. Voltage and current are verified.
Quality control allows zero compromise.
Approved chargers are ready for packaging.
Professional packaging protects the product.
Sealed and ready. Products prepared for shipping. Distributed worldwide. Designed for performance. Built for safety. Tested for reliability. Manufactured with precision. Certified quality. From factory to your home.
This is how a battery charger is made.
From factory to your home.